Alright, so Positively Delivers, this is Dr. Gigi Sunga from I Can Change Project. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And this is the first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Doc Gigi Sunga. Okay, so how to triple your income. Okay, so ang suggestion ko to triple your income, that is apply my 3X formula. So yan po ay sarili nating gawa, the 3X formula. And i-discuss din po natin yan na konti sa Hong Kong sa November 18 sa Bayanihan Kennedy Town Center tayo. So hindi pa po nakaka-register, please mag-register na kayo hanggang bukas. And pwede rin po na doon na kayo sa venue mag-register. Yan sa ating venue, 2 to 5 PM po tayo. So before 2 nandun na kayo dapat. Ready na ako, and naglagay pa po ako, nag-add ako ng 2 bonus topics, 10 utos para sa mga OFW. At pangalawang topic natin na bonus topic ay learn to say when enough is enough. Yan. So, dapat tayong OFW masabi natin sa sarili natin, enough is enough. Alright? So, yan. I'm so excited sa Hong Kong natin di-deliver lahat yan. Okay? And if you need career coach, yan, personal coach, so kahit saan po kayo, pwedeng online, pwedeng personal, message nyo na ako, 0939-5254-311. Alright, so nabanggit ko po yung 3X formula natin. So I want to gusto kong magbigay ng isang specific step. Paano nga ba magti-triple ang aking income? So if you are earning let's say 20,000 today at present, so pwede maging 60,000 yan. If you are earning 50,000, pwede 150,000. I tried it. Okay, I tried it. I tripled my income in just 6 months. After I set it as a goal. Kasi doon lahat nagsisimula yan Delivers. Dapat gawin mo siyang goal. Gawin mo siyang target. Okay? So, gawin mo siyang target. So, when I set my goal, 3x your formula, okay? Or 3x your income, nagsimula na po siya. And this is one of the things na ginawa ko. Okay? I combined, eto na po if you have ballpen, notebook, eto. I combined opportunity and skill. Alright? Opportunity plus skill. Okay? So, nag-spot ako, ano ba opportunity meron for me? Sabi ko nga po sa inyo, as you know, I'm a full-time principal. And pag tumingin ka sa paligid, parang, ano na yata ako ito na yata yung peak, parang ganon. When, after finishing my PhD, so I was promoted. So parang na-reach ko na yung peak ata dito sa aming organization. Hindi naman siya, of course, I cannot be the president. I'm not the owner. So naisip ko, tumingin ako outside. Okay? Tumingin ako outside, but not leaving our company. I'm not leaving my company. Okay? So hindi natin iwanan ng Asia Pacific Council of Advanced Studies. Hi, Ma'am Flor. I'm not leaving. So tumingin lang ako ng opportunity outside. Ano opportunity meron sa labas? Okay? Nakita ko yung opportunity, I can be a speaker. Meron naghihintay na opportunity. Kasi ang dami nangangailangan na schools, company ng speaker. So I grabbed the opportunity. And I combined it with my skill. The skill of being a speaker. Okay? So kung puro opportunity lang yan, may opportunity nga, wala ka namang skill, hindi pwede. Di ba? Or kung puro skill yan, marunong kang mag-talk pero walang opportunity, di mo makita o di mo magawa opportunity mo, wala. Alright? Then that's the first opportunity and skill. A combination of opportunity and skill that I did. Alright? Then, after a few months of doing it, so nakita ko ulit, wow, meron pa akong isang opportunity. Ang daming nangangailangan ng coach. Ang daming tao na they need someone to guide them with what they have, yung resources nila. Okay? Ang daming tao nangangailangan ng mentor, nangangailangan ng coach. Okay? That's an opportunity. And again, I combine it with my skill. My skill on how to coach people. My skill on how to mentor people. That's the reason pala, bakit ito pala yung tamang panahon para magamit ko yung the attitude I have. Yung, trying to understand people. Medyo may ganun po tayong characteristic. I always understand people na, ba't siya ganun? Kasi ganito. Alright? and eventually become a skill that I combine it with opportunity, and now I'm coaching people. Alright? So, every day, meron na tayong mga clients from Korea, Taiwan, Japan, saan pa po? Marami pa iba. Okay? Saudi, at dito sa Pilipinas din. So, what I'm trying to say now, sa lahat ng mga believers natin, sa lahat ng mga nakikinig sa atin ngayon, nanonood sa atin ngayon video, okay? How to triple your income, isang simpleng formula. Okay? Find an opportunity, okay? And combine a skill. So, ano yung magiging contribution mo ngayon? Always develop skill. Kailangan meron kang skill na alam. Hindi pwedeng wala kang skill na alam. Okay? So, pwedeng technical skill yan. Okay? Or, like what I'm saying, service skill, mga soft skill na dapat alam mo. Diba? There are two types of skill, the technical and the soft skill, or the hard skill or the soft skill. Dapat meron tayo yan. Okay? And then, yung opportunity, nandyan lang yan. You just look around, nakita mo may opportunity. Okay? That's one of my secrets. How did I triple my income? Kung na-triple ko yung income ko, kaya mo rin ma-triple ang income mo. Alright? So, please share this video sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin, pwedeng OFW, okay, dito sa Pilipinas. Sa lahat ng mga kamag-anak natin, para sama-sama tayo maging triple ang ating income. Alright, so thank you very much, Believers. Enjoy the rest of the day, and let's go! Yan, kasi nandito po yung mga pamangkin ko.